Our kids are definitely at the age where they love the bikes and the scooters and the skateboards, so to make it more fun around the home, we've built them a skateboard ramp.
It's a neat little design. It doesn't take up too much space in the garage and the kids love it, so we'll show you how to do it.
But first, there's a few things that you'll need. A sheet of 8mm ply, some 30mm ply, Selly's Liquid Nails Original and caulking gun,
60mm and 25mm screws, a jigsaw, a circular saw, a drill,
a planer, some sandpaper, safety glasses, and tape measure and pencil. So we've decided to make our ramp 300 high, haven't we, mate? Yep. And then we're gonna go about 1600 long, so that's gonna be the perfect size for you and your sister. What do you reckon? Okay, let's go. Can you put a mark there for me? You happy with that shape? Yep, should we cut it?
No, don't cut those.
Now that we're happy with the shape of our ramp, we're going to use our jigsaw and that'll allow us to cut a really nice consistent curve. There we go, that is one of our structural bearers complete. Now I'm going to use this as a template to cut the next 3. All right, Z, you ready to dust it off?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. On our 2 outside bearers, we're going to cut a small section out for some hand grips. We're going to cut those out with the jigsaw, but the tip here to start the jigsaw blade off is to pre-drill a hole first. For the next step, we're going to connect all of our bearers together. Now I'm using these offcuts of ply so that they don't go to waste, and this will give me 3 noggins at either end of our ramp. Now for the fun part, it's time to lock it all together. We're going to be using screws and also Selly's Liquid Nails Original, which is a really strong construction adhesive, which is going to help lock everything together, especially with the kids rolling over it all day. To prep the glue, cut the end off the cartridge, then pierce the foil with the nozzle and screw the nozzle on and insert into your caulking gun. And now we're going to squeeze out some glue on the end grains of our noggins. We'll put that in place. And a little tip here is to pre-drill so you don't split any timber. Here we go, last one. There we go, that's our base for our skate ramp. It's nice and solid, which is perfect. And now we can measure and cut our 8mm ply. For a smooth transition when the kids go up the ramp, we're going to slightly undercut the back of the ply. Before we attach our ply sheet to the ramp, we're going to mark out where our bearers are and give ourselves a nice straight screw line. Now we're going to use the Selly's Liquid Nails Original again, and we're going to squeeze it out over the tops of our bearers. That's going to make sure we get a really good bond in between that ply and the tops of our bearer. Now it's time to screw down the ply, and the best thing to do here is screw it off, working our way from one end to the other. I'm stoked with how the skate ramp's turning out. Now I just want to run over it with the sander, take any splinters off, take any pencil marks off, and give it a final touch of character for the kids.